Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Tailwind is in your project and your font files are accessible. Install Tailwind with npm, then add the Tailwind base, components, utilities directives to your main CSS. Once done, place local fonts in the public folder or choose a hosted font like Google. This matters because source location affects load performance. You'll also want to open Tailwind. Config JS now, because the next step is to map font family names so Tailwind can generate the correct utility classes. You now edit Tailwind. Config JS and add your custom font family entries under theme. Extend, for example, set sans, inter, system UI, sans serif, and display, your font name, Georgia. This makes utilities like font sans and font display available. Make sure to include proper fallback fonts for reliability across devices. Once configured, rebuild Tailwind with the CLI or your build tool. This generates the new classes. If you use variable fonts, include weight and style in the CSS at font face. You apply the utilities directly in your HTML or component. Class equals font sans, or combine with responsive prefixes like MD, font display. Once applied, inspect with browser dev tools to confirm the computed font family and that the correct file loaded. If rendering looks wrong, make sure font face names match the Tailwind. Config key and that cross origin is set when preloading. One key troubleshooting tip. Clear the build cache and restart the watcher if new classes do not appear. This usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.